What's going on, guys? We got the Vevor 62cc chainsaw here. I actually haven't used it yet. It's the model CN62G. I just unboxed it yesterday afternoon. It comes in a very small box. I already had some bar and chain oil, and I picked up some 40-to-1. I'm gonna use 40-to-1 for that first bit, and then I'm gonna use a 50-to-1 for the rest of its life. We're gonna try it out today, and we're gonna get, well, I might cut something, but for now I'm just gonna put it together. This is basically everything that comes in the box. It's in this bag. I'm gonna open this bag here in just a second. Comes with a little mixing jug. Probably won't need that. A funnel for filling, obviously. Bar came with a nice heavy bar actually, and a cover also. So let me get you set up on a tripod, and we'll start putting this thing together and going over it. Okay, so here we are. Got the Vevor chainsaw. Let's go over everything that came in the box. This propaganda. Probably need to go over that. The mixing jug, I'm not gonna need, but it's nice to have. Funnel, always can use a funnel. So let's go over what's in this little bag. Chain, need that. It's good that it came with one. Hair protection, that's always nice to have. Nice little tool, wrench, screwing. What else we got? These, oh, little extra screws, I guess. Something either new. Oh. Don't know if you can see that. I'll come up closer. This looks like where the bar goes in and kind of like hooks onto the tree and stuff. It goes, I'm assuming, in here somewhere. We'll figure that out. Allen, 2 Allen keys. We got, oh, screwdriver. Not the best, but hey, it was free. I mean, this was all under 150 bucks.
You're cheap. You are so cheap.
Can't really beat it. This is like, oh, it's a little file. How nice of them. Spark plug socket. I'm assuming a chain tensioner. If you ever use a chainsaw, you know, you usually get one of these with everything. I don't know if there's anywhere to store it on there. I know the Steels used to have somewhere where you can actually like put that on the handle and stuff. It doesn't look like this one has that. Sorry if you can't hear it because of the wind. It's a little windy today. Let's get to putting the bar on. Throw this away. Here is this side of the chainsaw. That's getting kind of hot, isn't that way? I haven't read any instructions. We're just gonna wing it.
Are you sure about that?
Probably not the best thing to do.
Nope.
We'll figure it out. Wow. So the 2 nuts hold on this whole assembly. Wasn't prepared for that. Don't get gone. Why are you gonna tell me I was doing it wrong? Alright, good. Okay, cool. She's loose, ladies and gentlemen. You know, I'm not a smart guy, but I bet I was supposed to install that while I had this off.
Yeah, no shit.
Well, jeez. Picked a great day to do this, guys. That's no help.
Help me help you.
Reverse engineer it quick. Stella, come here. Now. And just like that, I'm back. What I'm doing here is, I know you can't really see it, but I'm taking this back apart because I think I skipped a step and I just kind of glanced in the book. It doesn't really explain it, but that's exactly how it does. So the book just install the chain and bolt. Doesn't mention anything about these.
You sit on a throne of lies.
Goes on. Looks like it can go on either way. Don't really know which way would be the best way. But from, yeah, okay, that's what I was thinking. Oh, so kind of looks like in the pictures. See how they're going up. They install right there. So we're going to install it right there using these little screws. The book is helpful, I would assume.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
But I'm not really looking at it like I should be.
I give up.
So take that with a grain of salt. You know, this is not a good video. Y'all don't even need to see this. I'm sorry you clicked on it. It is a 20-inch bar. Comes with it, which is pretty great for 100 bucks. I mean, you really can't complain too much. And you know, I probably should have put some Loctite on these, but we're just gonna give it that German good and tight. I just remembered that's not gonna work. Who's an idiot? Me. Alright, she's all in the groove, she's all there. We're gonna throw this back on there.
I implore you to reconsider.
Where the nuts go onto the bolt, they're a little tight. I mean, I guess that's okay for, like, you don't want to be hitting in on trees and this. I get that, but it's also annoying trying to put this thing on there. So make sure it's tight before you, make sure your bar and chain is tight before you pull on it like an idiot. It's like, stupid loose. You know, it's one of those things you get what you pay for.
Excuse me?
I say that because I know for a fact that the Steels and even the Husqvarna that
If you keep talking, I'll leave.
they got like a bar tensioner where you can get it kind of tight, get it on there, you know, and then put your screw in it, it kind of tightens it up. They've had that for years, you know. This one's lacking a little bit of features.
Suck my ass.
Which is fine. I'm not trying to start a business with it. It's just going to cut down these trees in the background. I don't like them. Tired of cleaning up after them. Can you not go in there and make a home? Still really loose. Hang on, let me look at this. Let me take it back apart. Because, hello, I'm an idiot. There is a chain tensioner right there.
No, you are so dumb. You are really dumb.
So we're going to put this back together as tight as we can and get that chain tensioner tight. You know, it's one of those learning curves of life. Putting together saw IKEA furniture. It's kind of a, you know, a rite of passage, right? Trying to figure out what the engineers want you to do. You know, if you read the book over there, it'll tell you what the engineers want you to do, but not all the time. We just gonna have fun with it. So I'm assuming that's what this little cheap screwdriver's for. Wow, I feel like I could 3D print a better handle.
This guy stinks!
We'll go get a better screwdriver, because that one's just not good. Realized the table was about to collapse on them. There we go. Oh yeah. Probably need to tighten it up just a touch more. It's coming out of the track. You don't want it to come out of the track too much. There we go. We got that on there. Now let me see what this thing recommends for gas, because I didn't read that.
Yeah, I figured that.
A lot of words. We like pictures around. You know, maybe I missed something. Maybe the QR code has better instructions, because this sure doesn't.
Cut the cameras. Dead ass.
Alright, now it has the gas tank. That's usually the full tank of the gas oil, and then yeah, it's borrowed. I say 40. So it wasn't recommended, but I was already making a purchase. Saw it. I run Ansel and everything. I don't really like funnels like this. It's got a hard edge there. It's like a conical all the way down.
I just want to die.
I'm not going to pour that much in this because I'm not planning on cutting down a whole lot today. So what we're going to do is leave that right there, let it drain back in. And what you want to do while you're filling is you want to spill it everywhere. That's usually it's a good indication that you know what you're doing. I'm here by myself. Let's see if she leaks. And just like that, we're over here. We're going to start it up. There is a on-off switch like most of them have right there on the thumb. I don't see a primer bulb like most of them have, unless that is definitely not. It does have a choke. We're going to choke it.
Daddy, chill.
This moment, I'm just going to pull it and see what happens.
That's what she said.
So let's give it a whirl. Put the crock in there. She's going to start.
Nope. 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 Nope.
Give it to me. Start it over. Give it to me. 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 Give it to me.
That was it.
I'm so tired. I'm so exhausted.
That was still trying to rotate. I don't know if you saw that or not.
Nope.
Yeah, we'll try to keep your mind out for that. Other than that, this is Exhausted. Welcome to the channel. If you first time being here, consider subscribing. Like, comment, share. Tell me everything I did wrong. Regardless if I did it wrong, I got here at the end. I showed my work. You happy about that?
Nope.
Anyway, y'all take it easy. Keep it between ditches. All that good stuff. Like, comment, share, subscribe. All that fun jazz. See y'all later. Bye.
Tell me, why do I still feel so alone? Don't tell me I'm wrong.